Imagine discovering a mirror that reflects not just your appearance, but your soul's deepest desires, fears, and dreams. This isn't just any mirror. It's the concept of twin flames, a connection so profound that it goes beyond the conventional understanding of relationships. Unlike soulmates, where the bond is comforting and familiar, twin flames are about challenge and growth, reflecting the very essence of who you are and who you're meant to be. This bond represents the unity of the divine masculine and feminine within us all, urging us towards a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. The concept of twin flames invites us into an exploration of our deepest selves, encouraging us to unlock our potential and embark on a path filled with growth, challenges, and ultimate union. Let's dive into this mystical journey, understanding what sets twin flames apart from other spiritual connections and why this union is considered a pivotal step in our spiritual evolution. Moving deeper into the heart of the twin flame connection, we explore the profound reasons that bring these two souls together. It's not just about finding someone you love in a traditional sense. It's about finding a mirror to your own soul that challenges you to grow in ways you never thought possible. This bond pushes you beyond the boundaries of romantic love into a realm where personal transformation and spiritual growth takes center stage. Twin flames are not just about the joy and harmony of coming together. They are also about the tough lessons that propel you towards becoming the best version of yourself. Through this connection, you're invited to look within, confront your shadows, and emerge stronger, more aware, and more in tune with your true self. This journey of growth and enlightenment is unique, intense, and deeply rewarding, offering insights into your nature and the universe's greater workings. It's a path that demands courage, self-reflection, and an open heart. But the rewards, self-awareness, personal growth, and spiritual awakening, are unparalleled. Recognizing your twin flame can be as mysterious and thrilling as the concept itself. Imagine walking into a room and your eyes meet someone else's, and in that instant, you feel a pull so strong, it's as if the universe itself is drawing you two together. This is not about love at first sight in a conventional sense. It's deeper, almost spiritual. You might feel an overwhelming sense of familiarity, as if reuniting with a long-lost friend, even though you've never met before. This connection goes beyond mere emotional ties. It touches the soul, sparking an inner awakening that many describe as life-changing. Understanding this bond is crucial as it differentiates twin flames from other relationships. It's not just about the joy and happiness of being in love, but about the mutual growth, learning, and spiritual development that comes with it. Recognizing your twin flame is the first step on a profound journey of self-discovery and deep, meaningful connection. The twin flame journey is not a straight path, but a series of stages that unfold in ways that challenge and transform. It begins with the search, a feeling deep inside that there's more to life and love, leading to a profound recognition when you meet your twin flame for the first time. This encounter is like no other, sparking an instant and deep connection. Yet this journey is not without its tests, pushing both individuals to their limits and prompting personal growth. A crisis or period of separation may occur, throwing into sharp relief the lessons each must learn alone. The runner and chaser dynamic is particularly challenging, with one twin flame running from the intensity of the connection while the other chases, seeking resolution and reunion. It's a dance of fear and longing, pushing both towards deeper self-understanding. Surrender comes next, a stage where both individuals begin to accept their journey, their connection, and the lessons it brings. It's a pivotal moment of healing and preparation for the final reunion and oneness. This ultimate coming together is marked by a harmonious relationship that stands on mutual respect, love, and understanding, a testament to the transformative power of the twin flame connection. Each stage is significant, offering opportunities for growth and deeper spiritual understanding, guiding both twin flames towards enlightenment and unconditional love. The period of separation in the twin flame journey is both necessary and transformative, serving a purpose far beyond the initial pain it might cause. It's a time for individual growth, a moment to face and heal personal fears and insecurities that may have remained hidden or unaddressed. This stage challenges both twins to look deeply into themselves, to find love and value within rather than seeking it solely in the other. It's about developing a strong foundation of self-love and self-worth, essential qualities for any lasting reunion. Through separation, twin flames learn the importance of being whole on their own, understanding that their union is not about dependency, but about enhancing each other's lives. This period is crucial for personal healing, allowing both individuals to return to their connections stronger, more aware, and ready for the harmonious partnership that awaits. The lessons learned here are invaluable, setting the stage for a reunion that's based not just on mutual attraction, but on mutual growth, respect, and unconditional love. The twin flame journey, filled with deep connection and intense challenges, also involves navigating various obstacles. These hurdles, both internal and external, serve as crucial lessons that foster growth and strengthen the bond between twin flames. Facing these challenges requires patience, a quality that allows individuals to endure difficult times with calmness. Faith plays a pivotal role, instilling trust in the process and belief in the strength of the connection. Unconditional love is the foundation, offering a steady base for twin flames to support and uplift each other. It's through these trials that twin flames learn to overcome barriers, fostering a resilient and enduring union. The path isn't always easy, but by embracing patience, nurturing faith, and practicing unconditional love, twin flames can navigate this journey, turning obstacles into opportunities for deeper understanding and connection. The union of twin flames is a moment of profound spiritual significance, marking the culmination of a journey that has tested both souls to their limits. This union isn't just a reunion of two people, it's the coming together of two halves of the same soul, finally achieving harmony, understanding, and mutual respect after a series of trials and transformations. This bond is unbreakable, its strength forged through the challenges faced along the way. In this union, twin flames find not only love, but a deeper sense of purpose and a shared path towards spiritual awakening. Together, they embody the potential for transformation, not just within themselves, but also in the world around them. The journey to this point may have been fraught with obstacles, but the result is a partnership that stands as a testament to the power of unconditional love and the unyielding spirit of the human soul. Understanding the difference between twin flames and soulmates is crucial to recognizing the unique journey and purpose each holds. While both connections bring profound insights and growth, they serve different roles in our lives. Soulmates are like mirrors reflecting our traits, often in a harmonious and comforting way. They can be friends, family, or lovers who support our journey and with whom we share deep bonds. Twin flames, however, are more like catalysts for our spiritual and personal development. This bond pushes us beyond our comfort zones, challenging us to address our deepest issues and encouraging us to grow in ways we might not with a soulmate. This distinction highlights the unique path twin flames take, a journey not just of love, but of enlightenment and self-discovery. Twin flames complement and challenge each other, driving both towards their highest selves, which sets them apart from the soulmate connection. It's this journey of unconditional love, intense growth, and ultimate reunion that defines the twin flame experience. Getting ready for the twin flame journey is much more than just waiting for a magical encounter. It involves active preparation, focusing on personal development and spiritual growth. This means taking steps to understand oneself better, healing old wounds, and being open to transformation. It's about building a life that feels full and rich, even before your twin flame enters it. This preparation ensures that when twin flames do meet, they are each in a place where they can contribute positively to the relationship rather than looking for the other to fill a void. Additionally, learning about manifestation techniques can help focus your intentions and attract the kind of relationship that supports your highest good. Staying true to oneself is crucial. It means listening to your inner guidance and staying aligned with your values and dreams. This alignment makes you ready, not just for a twin flame relationship, but for any relationship that enriches your life and supports your journey towards becoming your best self. Reflecting on the twin flame journey, we've navigated through its complexities, its challenges, and its transformative power, highlighting its significance not only for the individuals involved, but for the broader tapestry of humanity and the universe. This journey, steeped in spiritual depth, encourages personal growth and self-realization, underscoring the profound impact such connections have on our collective consciousness. As we close this exploration, remember that the path of twin flames is both a personal and a universal one, illuminating the interconnectedness of our souls and the power of love to transcend the physical realm. It's a reminder that in seeking this profound connection, we're also embarking on a journey of self-discovery, contributing to the evolution of our world in the process. If this exploration of twin flames resonated with you, sparked curiosity, or offered new insights, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps share these profound insights with others and guides us on our collective journey towards understanding, love, and spiritual growth.